Okay, the next thing that you're going to do is apply a reroughing operation. But before we do that, let's maybe turn off the visualization of the stock model. To do that, go to the Part pull-down menu and choose Visualize, and choose No for stock visualization, and click OK. Now let's go back to the Operations Manager and left-click on the eyeball next to Roughing to turn off the visualization of the first toolpath. Exit out of that, and now right mouse button click where it says Roughing on your icon bar, and choose the second icon down called Reroughing. When machining in 3D, TopSolid'Cam assumes that you want to reuse the previous tool, so the first thing that you want to do is probably choose a new tool. To do that, just click on the button at the top of the window. Let's double click on end mill, and let's look for a 1/2 inch diameter end mill. Click OK from the prompt line, and let's set our stock allowance back to 30 thousandths for both. And now, we'll talk about comparison accuracy. Here, when the stock exceeds the 30 thousandths value set here from the previous operation, then we're going to insert more toolpath. And in doing so, we're going to do it at 100 thousandths Z-step. Next, let's go to step over. Let's type 0.5 times 0.4, and this is just to show you that you can do simple math right here in the dialog box. Let's go to the Strategy tab. Let's click on Z-levels and change it to pockets. This way it'll finish an area before rapiding to another. Let's go to our retract method and click if necessary and optimize and set the clearance plane to 0.1. Let's also set our plunge method just in case we're going to be plunging on material. Now let's go to machine planar faces, set that step over to 200 thousandths as well, and let's just say OK and see what happens. So here you can see that we're inserting more toolpath and more roughing motion only where there's still material to remove. Let's maybe go run the verification of both. To do that, go to the Operations Manager, hold your left button down and drag to select both toolpaths, right-click, choose Verify, and choose Play. During Verify, if you hold your Control button and your left mouse button, you can actually rotate the part around. Now, let's click Save Resulting Stock. This way, the next time you come in here, you can start with this verified model. Go ahead and click Exit, and exit out of the Operations Manager.